Tornado Watch number 181, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Butler, Chase, Cowley, Harper, Harvey, Kingman, Marion, McPherson, Reno, Sedgwick, and Sumner. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, both in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather